Hello guys, my name is Parv Yadav and welcome to my channel. My channel name is Digital Marketing Lab. So today I'm going to show you the total 5 do follow directory submission website. Okay, so where we have to create a do follow high quality backlink, and we can make our website able to drive more and more backlinks. More and more authority and heavy traffic and the authority on that our website. Okay, so I have collected total 5 do follow directory submission website. So now we can going to start now. The first website is color blossom directory.com. Okay, so now we can going to start now. So first you guys have to click for the submit link option. Okay, this website can taking time for the next page opening. Okay, so now we can going to start now. Here is a title, do I can going to generate and copy this title. Sorry. Okay. Is there any video where I am explaining further do follow backlink kind of thing? Hello guys, my name is Parv Yadav and welcome to my channel. My channel name is Digital Marketing Lab. So today I'm going to show you the total 2 website where we can create a do follow backlink. Okay, and if you guys before they started, I wanted to one request with you guys. If you guys want to connect with me, so you can hit the subscribe button. Okay, so now we can going to start now. So the first website name is gippy.com. I can show you the website authority. So where we can paste, here it is guys. This website having 91 domain rating. It is a very good. Our website URL, and then you guys have to choose your name. And you guys have to choose your category. So I can choose random category for me because I wanted to show you guys how we can do a directory submission. So you guys have to click for the continue option. Then this website can instantly approve your directories, and parallelly I can show you the total 4 to 5 website, and these are the same process what we have did. So I can show you. So you guys have to click for the latest link option. Okay, so this website can taking some time for the approval. If your directory can going to approve now for that website, you guys can able to see over there. And if you guys cannot, so you guys can put your brand name or your website URL name. And then you guys have to click for the go option. Then you guys can find easily your backlinks over there. Okay, and parallelly I can show you the total other websites. So these are the same websites, and also the same process for the directory listing. So you guys have to click for the submit link option. Then you guys can fill all information about your what information this website can asking you. So I can show you the next website. The next website name is black and blue directory.com. The second website is dark dark theme directory. The third one is black and blue directory.com. There are also the same process. Then you guys have to click for the submit link option. That is the option. Here is the option, and I can show you the number 4 website. So the website name is blackgreendirectory.com. Also the same website, black and blue directory. Okay, the fourth one is black green directory.com. where you guys have to click the submit link option. Then you guys can fill your information. And fifth one is bluebookdirectory.com. So you have to click for the submit button. Then you guys can put your all information about your directories. Okay guys, so if you guys can did these things, then you guys can click for the latest link option, where you guys can find your approved backlink. If your backlink is not appear on the latest top of the pages, then you guys have to wait a while. This website is going to approve your directories. Okay, so I'm going to close this video topic for today now. If you guys can having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, so you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And for the last, I wanted to request you with the guys, if you guys can want to connect me, and if you guys can want to help me a little bit, so you guys have to click for the subscribe button and the like button, because that things can going to help me. Okay guys, so now we can going to close now today. Okay guys, so bye bye, take care.